This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Natallia Shapialevich. Available soon, completely renovated 3-bedroom, 2 full bathroom home, offers laminate flooring throughout the entire home, living/dining area combo, family room, good size new kitchen, interior laundry room. Huge walk-in closet in master bedroom. The entire backyard is fenced in, along with a large covered patio area. More photo coming soon. Tenant must be able to pass a background check. Application fee $70. Security deposit $2,000. For more information, review the details below or contact Natallia Shapialevich at 813-557-3808.